ये हम फ्रंट में विल यूज द स्कैल्प हेयर, जो स्कैल्प से डोनर एरिया लेंगे, विल मेक दिस एरिया डेंस एंड दिस क्राउन रीजन and mix with this middle part of the scalp. We'll use the body hair. So body hair, as they are unlimited source of donor supply, as your donor area is insufficient to cover this large area of baldness, we'll use this body hair as a filler and mix with the scalp hair in the crown region. So you will get a good camouflage density in the crown region as well. So front will tackle with the good density, where we'll use your scalp hair and we try to give as natural as possible. In this front line with zigzag, and this front line will restore with single hair in a zigzag pattern, and then and the front density will be, this area will make very dense. So highest possibility density in the frontal region, as frontal region is most important when we see any person from the front. And rest of the area will use your chest hair and the beard. So the area, the quality of the body hair will also grow like your normal hair. They will take some time, and but their characteristic is bit different. They are mostly single hairs. So we'll use as a additional donor supply, and we'll cover this region. तो अभी लोकल एनएससी से देंगे, एंड ये आपका ग्राफ जो हमने मार्किंग किया है ना, ऐसा ये है, ये डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन रहेगा ग्राफ का. ओके, तो इसमें हम जो स्कैल्प के हैं वो हाई डेंसिटी से आगे लगाएंगे.